Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you the unboxing and first look of a new QSP knife that I got. It's one of the newest versions or newest models for 2023. It is the model Kestrel. Those of you who don't know, Kestrel is a term which is common name given to several species of predatory birds, and it is from the falcon genus. So inside we have, like always, the card in which we see the model specifications, model numbers, and so on. Two stickers. Have always a knife day, my friends. And the knife itself. I must really say I'm really happy with the packaging that QSP is making. They are not wasting your money on anything not necessary, just the knife itself, and this is how it's supposed to be. Therefore the QSP brand as it is my opinion one of currently one of the best values brands on the market. So big thumbs up for that. Okay, so let's talk about this really nice medium to small design. So the model number is QS145-A1. This is a really nice medium-sized folder. The specifications are: we have an over length of 17.5 centimeters, that is 7 inches overall. The blade is 7.4 centimeters or 3 inches. The blade width is 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch. The thickness is 2.6 millimeters or 0.1 inch. Handles are 10.1 centimeters or 4 inches long, with the thickness of 1.3 centimeters or 0.5 inches. That is without the pocket clip. QSP is, I'm really happy to say they are switching to this really interesting dark brown burlap micarta. As of the previous one used the standard brown orangey look like canvas type they had, and they are also upgrading the blade steel to Sandvik 14C28N. And yes, we have a beautiful polished Stonewashed blade, so that is always good to see. This will greatly help you with the corrosion resistance, and also pairing it with a nice value stainless steel, which Sandvik 14C28N is. The Kestrel features also a really nice clip point profile blade with this hollow grounded blade. As far as opening goes, we have a flipper tab and thumb studs. Pivot assembly, it rides on caged ball bearing washers. Lock, it is a liner lock construction with 4 liners. They are skeletonized. As you can see, lots of milled out portions right there. Pocket clip, they used a, I don't know if it is titanium or aluminum. Definitely it is not ferrous, so the magnet does not stick to it. It's 3D milled, and they really went above the standard pocket clip that they are using. So something new, really nice. There's a QSP logo there. And overall they did a ton of milling. As you can see, they not give you only one linear hole but 5 of them, so really interesting right there. That keeps the weight down a little bit. We have a weight of 84.5 grams or 3 ounces, so definitely really nice lightweight medium to small knife. This is how it look like in my XL size hand. So I get full 3 fingers purchase, maybe 3.5. You can also choke a little bit up to the flipper tab, but please keep in mind that there is a sharpened edge right there. Okay, as far as variations go, you can choose from either these dark burlap micarta or jade G10, and there are two options for the blade. One is this stonewashed one, and the second one is a black wash or acid washed finish, and this goes also for the jade G10 versions. Okay, let me show you the sharpness out of the box. So this is a really nice slicer, as you can see there. That is perfect out of the box, like it's supposed to be. And just let me take some time to appreciate this beautifully done, polished stone wash on the blade. Yeah. I don't know if I mentioned, but we have caged ball bearing washers in the pivot, so everything is nice and smooth, and this is how much it will be sticking out of your pocket. It will go inside without any problems, and we have medium to strong stiffness, but as the pocket clip is milled, it will have no problems to put inside your pocket. Okay, so now in this segment I would like to show you some size comparisons, but also I would like to present you a, let's say, a full collection of similarly designed knives that represent all the size variations you can choose from right now. So let's start from the biggest one, which is the Synesis from CVV, and this is a stainless steel liner lock, which also features a lighter shade of brown micarta, what in my opinion I prefer to have. Then we have the darker shade. This is the Cogent, which is a button lock flipper. Then here is the Kestrel from QSP, and the smallest one is the pocket buoy from Burger Plus. So if you like the traditional clip point profile blade, you can choose from a variety of different knives that are available on the market, of course. For example, let me put in the picture also the Pillar 4 from CRKT. Excellent design knife, a little bit larger as the Kestrel, of course. If you would like to have a slip joint or back lock or even liner lock version, there are a few versions from CVV with this. This is the rustic gent. They have also versions of with different locks. They are called the Appalachian Drifter. So now let me put this aside, and let's talk a little bit about the pricing. So the MSRP is around $88. Usually these will cost you around 70, but it depends on your preferred dealer, of course. And something in the ballpark you can also expect here in Europe, because QSP has a really nice pricing structure, so that it's not that much more from the US prices here in Europe, which is good to see, because I am from Europe and I have to pay almost every time inflated prices added with the taxes and everything what's going on when I import them from abroad. Okay, so now let's continue. Here is the Buck Vintage Select Small. Red Model 2. Let's see, here is the OG China Carta, the Kaiser pinch, which I like to feature to show you where all started. This was one of the first production, so higher-end companies done with micarta, not only just G10 and titanium, but there it is. Here is also the Backlighter 2. Also great example with a linen type micarta. Here's a CGRB Feldspar Mini, which has, in my opinion, one of the best burlap micartas that a Chinese company is currently using or has been used, since this is a dealer exclusive for Knife Center. So if you would like to check it out, there should be some available on their website. Okay, here is a small Griptilian from Benchmade. Paramilitary 3. There is a CRKT Pillar 1. Petrified fish, the Warrior 949X, the small one. Here is a CVV Elementum with the, this is the Dark Matrix micarta. This is also a variant of the burlap micarta one. Here's the Twisted Assisted Junzi from Bestech. Rough Rider Peanut. And let's close it down with the K-Bar Dojo Folding Hunter. Okay, so let's summarize. Overall, I must say, I'm really happy to have these newer ones, newer QSPs in my collection. They definitely bring out a few really interesting designs with different blade shapes and so on. So I always appreciate that they are not making just your, let's say, your standard drop points and different handles and so on, so that we can appreciate these different blade styles and also configurations. And I also appreciate that they are using on more or less on their knives neutral styles of handles, so that even if you have a large hand, you can definitely still use this one, carry it, appreciate it, and yeah, have fun with it. So, and also for around the $69 or $70 or euros, this is definitely a really good price point in which almost everybody can get one of these and have a decent knife with really good materials, steel, and also in micarta, which in my opinion is still a premium type of handle scale material. Okay, so with that being said, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. A big thumbs up to you. I always appreciate taking your time, watching my videos, commenting, and letting me know what you are thinking about the knife or the product. And if you are not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. With that being said, I wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon. Bye.